Hi, this question is about the radioactive decay of phosphorus into silicon when a nucleus of phosphorus transforms into the nucleus of silicon. It's also called electron capture. So, anyways, what happens? We have to identify what are these two particles, X and Y, which are emitted right at that moment when phosphorus decayed to silicon. Now, what we have to see that what is happening during this reaction. So, this 15 turns into 14 means that a number of proton decreases by 1. So if the proton is decreases by 1, what does it mean? It means that actually inside a nucleus of phosphorus, radioactive phosphorus, let's say this was a proton which actually turned into the positron and neutron. And this is actually a positron, or we can also say a beta positive particle. Okay. Now, this is not a proton. This is beta positive. It is also called positron. And a positron is a particle which has an equivalent mass of electron, and it has a relatively charged opposite of electron, but it is very, very less massive than a proton. So what happened exactly? Let's say this is a proton that converts into another a neutron. Let's say this proton converts into this neutron. So I'm going to write a reaction of this. So reaction of this is, so a one proton converts into a neutron, so N10 plus a beta positive particle. Now this beta positive particle is actually a positron, as I mentioned. So it has a plus one relative charge, and zero is just like we play zero for an electron or a beta negative. And the this thing, remember that this is a neutrino. So neutrino is also a particle which is emitted, and some energy is emitted as well. So neutrino, we should select a neutrino. X is neutrino and the positron. That's why the right answer is option D, which talks about this radioactive decay.